This is one of the oldest and most festive celebrations in Asia, especially China and Vietnam. So this is like our Christmas here. It's their Christmas in Asia. So we are going to be kicking off this wonderful day-long celebration. We are having our virtual Lunar New Year celebration on February 12th, which is actually the Lunar New Year day. So this is the year of the ox. Where normally we would be in person sharing the foods and the customs and celebrations, we're just going to do this virtually. So we are going to show you how to make Korean dumplings actually. And then we will be following that up with a student panel from our Chinese international students who will be talking about their stories and their customs and traditions of this festive holiday. And then we will end with our Qipao dance performance from the Dayton Qipao Troupe, who is an award-winning local dance group. They're going to do some traditional dances that are beautiful, wonderful with umbrellas and fans. So you're going to see all kinds of wonderful, beautiful dances that are going to happen. This is an opportunity for students who are not of Chinese or Vietnamese descent to be able to see these celebrations from around the world. It's a little bit of around the world here at Wright State. And also it gives an opportunity for our students who are here at Wright State that celebrate this holiday annually to have that little bit of home.